We're having a total eclipse here tomorrow, so by the time this airs, it will already be over and done. But man alive, the promotions that are going along with this thing are unreal. The path of totality, as they're calling it, goes from down around South Texas, around Mexico, all the way up to Canada, like in a swash across the country. And it's coming right over my head, and it's going to be awesome. It's not going to happen in the U.S. again for 20 years. But these eclipses happen every 18 months or so. You just have to go to a different part of the planet to see it. So it's very convenient. It's going to be right outside my door and I don't have to go anywhere. I want to highlight a couple of these things because really what we're trying to get across is that you can take any kind of event and figure out a way to draw attention to your brand, to align yourself with it, anything like that. So, I mean, people here are making money. Hotel owners, restaurant owners, they're crazy. In fact, hotels are up thousands, not thousands, but hundreds of percents. Like a $60 Super 8 in the middle of nowhere, Texas is going for $600. It's crazy. But anyway, I do want to go through and show a couple of these. Krispy Kreme, national chain, they're doing an out of this world. Now I'm sure they can have, you can do this all over the country, not just at Krispy Kremes or in the totality area, but they're doing a donut with an Oreo on top of it that looks like a, kind of like an eclipse, which is kind of fun. We have Snapple introduced a solar eclipse sun flavor. I don't know. I think they might have been doing the flavor anyway. They just decided to call it that. Sun Chips has an interesting thing. They have a flavor called Sun Chips Eclipse Flavors, but it's only going to be available online while the eclipse is in totality. So for 4 or 5 minutes, that's it. And then it's over with. Well, to me, I don't know how many people are going to be online trying to buy Sun Chips while the thing's going on. I think that's ridiculous. I don't know if that's a good idea. Blue Moon Beer has a kit that contains a Blue Moon Eclipse Sips kit. 4 glasses, 4 eclipse-themed coasters, a flashlight, and something called moon dust, which makes your beer shimmer and glow when added to their ale, to their white Belgian-style ale. But my favorite one, my absolute favorite one, is our buddies at Moon Pie. You know what a moon pie is? It's a marshmallow chocolate thing. They have come up with a Ready for Brutality in Totality solar eclipse survival kit. It's a pack of moon pies with solar eclipse glasses, but they've come up with this pretty funny video. It's almost like a WWE thing.
It's the sun! They do not like him at all.
A solar eclipse snack down!
The moon! And he's got the limited time Eclipse Survival Kit Moon Pie Mini!
This is the sun, and this is the moon, and on April the 8th, it's gonna be a total lunar fiasco. You and your families are gonna have a real good time watching this eclipse. That's just science.
Anyway, the old lady went to the grocery store and picked us up a box of moon pies. This is the Solar Eclipse Survival Kit Edition, which is awesome. So I've got a little impromptu unboxing of our moon pie box here. We're just going to see what's going on in here. Of course, there's a moon pie. Perfect. In fact, I don't see any glasses. What about the glasses? Oh, I got jaked. What happened? Moon Kai Solar Eclipse Survival Kit. You know what? It doesn't say there's any glasses on here. Boy, I got jaked. Oh, man. Tell you what, that's a pisser because they said, I mean, geez Louise, doesn't it say? What the heck? This survival kit says you get 4 chocolate minis and 2 pairs of glasses. This one with 12 minis doesn't have any glasses. Man. Beat down. Okay, then. Well, guess what? Guess what, Moon Pie? That's an instant fail. Don't call it a solar eclipse survival kit if you're not going to put glasses in it, especially when you've advertised the kit that has glasses in it. This box literally does not say glasses included, which is our bad for not looking closer, but, you know, it doesn't say like, oh no, disclaimer, no glasses included. Solar eclipse survival kit, 12 mini pies, no glasses. Yep. Instant fail. Okay. No good. Not happy about that, Moon Pie. I hate it when you get screwed around like that. Let's look back at this website. Total Eclipse Survival Kit. That's this box. If you want a 6 count Eclipse Mini, it says the same thing. It says Eclipse Survival Kit, but there's no glasses. We'll see if they're ordering these online. If people did this online and they're going to get stuff in the mail, boy, I would be hot. I would be super hot. If you go to Eclipse 2024, here's the box, but there's no glasses on this box. So they sell it as a survival kit, and it's not. You can't survive with this because you're going to go blind. If you go out there with your moon pies and no glasses, you're not going to survive. So how can you do that? How can you survive an eclipse without glasses? That's all I have about moon pies. Horrible. Horrible experience. Thanks for watching, y'all. YouTube's going to show you one more video. Sorry. How's it? Over here? It's over here. Thanks for watching, y'all. YouTube's going to show you 2 more videos right here. Pick one of those. What a mess. What a deal. End.